In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design payment method. Food App UI design in Figma. Begin by opening Figma and heading to the Community tab in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. The community is a huge library of templates and UI kits created by designers around the world, which makes it perfect for speeding up common flows like checkout. In the search bar, type Payment Method UI. You are looking for kits that include essentials such as credit card inputs, saved cards, and digital wallet icons. Hover to preview, skim the description, and check that the frames are designed for mobile and use clean editable components. When you find a design that fits your needs, click Open in Figma. This creates an editable copy in your drafts, so you can safely experiment without affecting the original. Open the file and scan through the pages and frames to identify the screens or specific elements you'll use in your food app. Like a payment selection list. And add card form or quick pay buttons. It's a good idea to duplicate the original frame first, so you always have a reference to go back to. Next, tailor the visuals to your brand. Update colors to match your palette, and apply your typography styles to headings, labels, and inputs for consistency. Adjust border radius to reflect your brand's personality softer. Rounded corners often feel more friendly for consumer apps. If the file already uses color and text styles, swap them with your own. If not, create and apply local styles so changes remain consistent across the entire flow. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring button and text contrast is clear and legible. Make the components responsive with auto layout. Select a group of elements and press Shift+A to wrap them. Set the direction to vertical for stacked payment methods, fine-tune spacing, and add padding so content breathes. Use alignment to keep icons and labels tidy, and set items to hug or fill where appropriate to handle different text lengths or screen sizes. This ensures your list of payment options stays neat whether you are designing for small or large devices. Once you are happy with the look and responsiveness, copy your finalized frames or components with Ctrl+C or CMD-F and paste them into your main project file with Ctrl+V or CMD-F. Keep layer names clean and organized so your design stays easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.